Take a ride in the 2023 Pacifica. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, Bluetooth, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, adaptive cruise control, HD radio,